Hello and welcome to this special broadcast here on India Today. The War of the Sardars. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh versus Navjot Singh Sidhu. War reaching fever pitch. The Gandhis have summoned Sidhu to the capital. He's going to be meeting Rahul and Priyanka shortly. The top brass is allegedly angry over Sidhu's rather public outbursts against the Chief Minister. This meeting also assumes significance because last week when Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh was in Delhi, he was snubbed by Rahul. He didn't meet any of the Gandhis. The Punjab rumbling doesn't seem to be dying down anytime soon. Captain is unrelenting. Sidhu is defiant. Can the Gandhis broker peace is the question. Amid infighting in the Punjab Congress, the top party leadership, the central command, is stepping in. They're scrambling to really broker some sort of a truce before the assembly polls next year. Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's been at loggerheads with Chief Minister Amrinder Singh and has been publicly lashing out at the captain, has been now summoned to Delhi by the Gandhis.
As a batsman, Navjot Singh Sidhu often stepped out of his crease to blast the bowlers.
That's the biggest of them all. This is a huge hit. That would be six on any ground anywhere in the world.
His political innings has been no different. The former cricketer has taken on Captain Amrinder Singh like nobody else in the past has dared to. Embarrassed by its own leaders, the Congress top brass is scrambling to broker a truce in Punjab, which is going for polls next year. The Gandhis have finally summoned Sidhu to Delhi. The star Neta will meet Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi on Tuesday. Sources say the leadership is upset with Sidhu for his public outbursts against Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh and has told him to restrain himself. The Gandhis' direct outreach to Sidhu came just a week after Rahul Gandhi snubbed Captain Amrinder Singh. The Congress MP did not give the Punjab Chief Minister an audience when he was in the national capital. This even as Rahul Gandhi met party leaders from Punjab to get their views on the political situation in the state. The Congress party has already formed a panel to resolve the crisis in party's Punjab unit. The panel has held many meetings with both Sidhu and Amrinder.
कमेटी ने अपनी रिपोर्ट कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट को दे दी है। जुलाई के प्रथम सप्ताह तक 8-10 तारीख तक जो है कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट का निर्णय आ जाए।
Sidhu has been at loggerheads with Amrinder Singh over a series of issues ranging from sacrilege of Guru Granth Sahib to police firing on protesters in 2016 to captain's alleged proximity to the Akalis.
The incident is related to the stealing of the Guru Granth Sahib.
With just months to go for assembly elections, the Gandhis are keen to make the two reach a truce. How they do it remains a mystery. Bureau Report, India Today.
Why?
The Sidhu versus Captain feud has really been festering for many years now, since 2017, when Sidhu was made a cabinet minister. It's said that Sidhu used his proximity, his closeness with the Gandhi siblings to bargain for more power within the Punjab government. Things really came to a head when Sidhu went to Pakistan and embarrassed his chief minister by hugging the then Pak Army chief. And that led to a full-blown public war of words.
Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn since 2017. It is said that Captain Amrinder Singh was not happy with the way the BJP leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted in the Congress party just before the assembly elections in 2017. Despite the opposition from senior Congress legislators, Captain Amrinder Singh, under pressure from the Congress High Command, gave a cabinet berth to Sidhu. But cracks emerged when Sidhu tried to bargain for Deputy Chief Minister's post along with home portfolio by using his closeness to the Gandhi siblings. Captain refused to budge. The rift became public after Sidhu went to Pakistan against the wishes of his captain in 2018. Sidhu's hug for then Pakistani Army Chief General Bajwa had Amrinder Singh fuming.
How can it be that every day somebody is being shot, and whether the man who pulled the trigger is to blame or the man who gives the order, which is the chief, and the chief is Mr. General Bajwa, and to say that I don't know General Bajwa, but yahan likha hota hai unke tunic ke upar, that's wrong, and I think that was wrong for him to have shown the affection he did for the Pakistani Army Chief.
3 months later, Captain Amrinder Singh opposed Sidhu's second visit to Pakistan.
I told him, I said, you know, I have taken this stand, and this is what is in the larger interest of my state, and I think you should also reconsider your position. He said, I've already accepted the invitation. I said, well, then you can always tell them that now my Chief Minister has taken this stand, so I wish to, I will not be coming. But he has decided to go.
It was then that Sidhu declared that Amrinder Singh was not his captain.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं, उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार? हाँ, ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की, वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई. मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है.
At the backdrop of the sacrilege case, Sidhu opened a new front against the captain. It was the first time that the cricketer turned politician publicly accused the Punjab Chief Minister of being hand in glove with the Akalis. It is said that Sidhu was divested of his portfolio after he challenged captain's authority.
जिथे 25 पैसे पैने सी सिद्धू ने 25 पैसे पाए, जिथे 30 पैसे पाने सी उथे 30 पाए. वर्ल्ड बैंक तो लैके एक एक चीज़ नाल लिया के खड़ी की थी. लेकिन मैं तो कदे किसी ते उंगल चुकी नहीं, ना मैं कदे शिकायत की थी, ना ही मेरी फितरत है. चलो जे कोई उन्होंने ये लगता है यह जी गल है तो वो उन्होंने दी मर्जी है, महाबदौलत.
There has to be some discipline in the organization, and in this discipline, I have decided after seeing the performance of our ministers, I've shifted them around. Where I thought somebody is good in a particular job, I've given him that job. And here I thought power is an important thing for Punjab, one of our most important things. And I gave it to Sidhu, but he didn't want it. So I said, no, once a decision has been taken, you can't say I will take this and I will not take that. I mean, it's like some general saying, I'm not going to get posted to Ladakh, send me to Manipur.
Captain Amrinder Singh has not said a word about Navjot Singh Sidhu's recent outbursts against him. But he is believed to have told the Congress High Command that Sidhu had crossed all limits this time. The face-off has now reached a point of no return. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljit Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.
By taking on a powerful leader like Captain Amrinder Singh, is Sidhu digging his own grave or really paving the way for an exit? Sidhu was dreaming big. He so far, however, failed to get a desired position. With his options now running out and even the Congress High Command clearly unhappy with his outbursts and very public outbursts against the captain, will Navjot Singh Sidhu's rebellion actually backfire now?
Navjot Singh Sidhu is on the warpath. His outbursts against Captain Amrinder Singh are only getting more explosive. There are over a dozen Punjab cabinet ministers and MLAs who have joined the chorus to replace Amrinder. But will this rebellion backfire for Sidhu? Currently in Patiala, Sidhu is planning to go back to Amritsar. Sources say that the firebrand Neta is expected to make a big announcement and soon. He's been vying to be made the Punjab Congress chief, something that the captain is opposed to. So is Sidhu trying to create a situation within the Congress to pave way for his graceful exit? Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has already created a buzz by announcing that Aam Aadmi Party's chief ministerial face will be a Sikh. He also refused to criticize Sidhu as his party is trying to find a suitable face. Sources say AAP has been sending feelers to Sidhu to join the party from quite some time. But Sidhu has kept his cards close to his chest. Even Kejriwal acknowledged publicly that he respects Sidhu. There are speculations that AAP will step up efforts to bring Sidhu into the party fold.
आम आदमी पार्टी का पंजाब का सीएम फेस सिख समाज से होगा. क्योंकि हमें ये लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया के अंदर पंजाब ही एक ऐसा स्टेट है जिसका सीएम सिख समाज से है। हमारा ये मानना है कि ये सिख समाज का हक है और ये हक उनके पास ही रहेगा।
Meanwhile, the opposition Shiromani Akali Dal and BJP have slammed Sidhu for keeping the people of his constituency in the lurch.
सिद्धू खड़ा ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਗਾਲ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਅਮਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਢਦਾ। ਇੰਨੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਕਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਆਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਲੀਡਰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਬੋਧਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਅਟੈਕ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਤੇ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ।
In case Sidhu decides to leave the Congress, then where will he go? Will he become the Sikh face of the Aam Aadmi Party, or will he end up floating his own regional front? With Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
So Navjot Singh Sidhu has been fighting for what he calls about bringing about change in Punjab. But in reality, he's been unable to bring any real change in his own constituency of Amritsar East. His constituents have dubbed him as an absentee MLA. Manjeet Sehgal gets you this report.
A full-blown poster war. Punjab da captain versus Sara Punjab Sidhu Nal. The Amrinder versus Sidhu fight rages on, and while the captain wants action to be taken against his bête noire, it was the Punjab Chief Minister who made Sidhu a first-time entrant, a cabinet minister in 2017. Many senior Congress party MLAs were ignored to placate Sidhu, who remained dissatisfied through 4 years of his stint as an MLA and a Punjab minister. Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted as a cabinet minister on March 16, 2017. He remained a minister for just 27 months and resigned on June 10, 2019, after his portfolio was divested as his performance, according to the Chief Minister, was not up to the mark. Sidhu ultimately resigned as a minister and remained absent from his constituency and assembly for the next 1.5 years. During this time, he neither attended the Punjab Assembly nor met the people of his constituency. As an elected representative, you can imagine the message that sent out. Sidhu claims to be fighting for a new Punjab, but hasn't been able to bring about any real change in Amritsar East. With poor roads, heaps of garbage, the constituency is crying for development.
वोट किन्नू पाई सी 4.5 साल पहले
सिद्धू नाल
ते उन्होंने काम किया
नहीं भाजी कुछ नहीं किया लॉकडाउन में भी कोई सहायता नहीं की
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਇਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਰ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਮੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੇ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਉਹੀ ਬਸ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਆ
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪੈਰ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ
From a sports star, Sidhu became a missing poster boy. Not only as a Congress MLA, but Sidhu was also targeted when he was a parliamentarian. His opponents even announced a reward. The missing posters also emerged in Rasulpur Kalar area, where 59 people died after a train ran into a crowd of Dussehra revelers on October the 19th, 2018. Sidhu had promised to adopt the families who had lost their breadwinners. The state government had, however, provided jobs to only 34 of the 59 affected families. The opposition also targeted Navjot Singh Sidhu for being absent from his constituency during the pandemic. The other charge against Sidhu is that he's simply power hungry. Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has gone on record to say that Sidhu wanted a deputy chief minister's post with a home portfolio. Sidhu also allegedly has been eyeing the Punjab Congress Committee chief's post. Posters in Patiala speak volumes about his political ambitions. Despite the anti-incumbency against the Congress, the over-ambitious Navjot Singh Sidhu has added to the woes of his own government and party. His personal differences with the Chief Minister have cost his constituents, who are now feeling very ignored. With Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
From From the cricketing pitch to the political battlefield, with a stopover, of course, on television screens also. Navjot Singh Sidhu's professional career has been an absolute rollercoaster ride, just like his political career right now. He's been controversy's favourite child, having been accused of murder and losing a popular TV show because of his pro-Pakistan sentiments. The big question is, what next for Sidhu? Where will he land next?
His witty one-liners,
साली होगी तो बहुत मजा आएगा, आधी घरवाली होगी.
his celebrity laughter shows. Navjot Singh Sidhu is back in the news for his high-voltage rebellion against sitting Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh. His attacks have opened the floodgates in a party unit that was largely intact, causing a massive headache. From cricketer to comedian to rebel against the captain. Join us as we track the journey of controversy's favourite child. Born to cricketer Sardar Bhagwan Singh in Patiala, Navjot followed his father's path to make his debut in cricket for Punjab in 1981. After nearly a two-decade cricketing career, Sidhu announced his retirement in 1999. Very quickly, he found his new calling as a catchy commentator.
जहाँ आदमी पहुंची, चाहे सोच की बात हो, चाहे रवैये की बात हो, कौन खास है, लेकिन आप खास हो.
His Sidhuisms quickly made him a global phenomenon, but his enthusiasm soon caught up with him. He was sacked from a sports network for swearing on air. But that didn't deter the high-energy Sardar. He jumped headfirst into the world of TV entertainment. Teaming up with comic icon Shekhar Suman, Sidhu's booming laughter became a defining pop culture phenomena, sweeping Indian living rooms. Stints in high-profile TV shows with Kareena Kapoor and appearance on Bigg Boss were all appetizers before his biggest TV project. As a fixture on the widely popular comedy nights with Kapil, Sidhuism would become a way of life.
आज कोई ना इनको रोको, मैं तो कहती हूँ ठोको.
But that lucrative gig also evaporated thanks to Sidhu's unpredictable enthusiasm. In the aftermath of the Pulwama terror attack in 2019, Sidhu's bizarre decision to lock the Pakistan Army chief in a Jadoo ki Jhappi backfired badly, costing him both his TV stint as well as a huge amount of public goodwill. Running parallel to the roller coaster of his life in showbiz was a political career that saw its own dramatic swings. He joined the BJP in 2004, elected as the party's MP from Amritsar.
जो लोग हिंदुस्तान के कहते हैं वही परमात्मा की आवाज है और परमात्मा की आवाज इस बार चाहती है कि लाल किले के ऊपर झंडा नरेंद्र भाई मोदी फहराए.
In 2006, Sidhu was accused in a homicide case and sentenced to 3 years in prison, forcing him to resign from his Lok Sabha seat, only to be acquitted days later. In 2007, he was re-elected to the Lok Sabha.
महोदया, क्या सूरज को प्रमाण देने की जरूरत है कि उसमें तेज है? क्या उसका प्रकाश प्रमाण नहीं है कि उसमें तेज है?
In 2014, he went into a sulk after Arun Jaitley was made to stand from Amritsar. In 2016, just 4 months into a consolation seat in the Rajya Sabha, he quit the BJP. Attempts to join Arvind Kejriwal's AAP went nowhere, forcing him to briefly pitch out on his own. He launched a party, Awaaz-e-Punjab, flanked by former hockey great and close friend Pargat Singh. But that would prove to be a placeholder before he secured himself a place in the Congress in 2017, declaring himself a born congressman. His war against Punjab Chief Minister began shortly thereafter. After all the twists and turns in his career thus far, where will Sidhu land? Between wisecracks and silence, even a Sidhuism won't answer this one. Bureau Report, India Today.